Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I have this very exciting chocolate Thanksgiving glam for you guys. I just am living my best life right now. I love this look. This makes me so excited for Thanksgiving dinner and to eat all of the delicious food. And I just love it because it just feels like I can eat and take pictures, and I know that I'll look good the entire night. I gave you guys a really knockout lip combo that's really gonna last you. I tried to mix in some affordable things, some high-end things, just try to really play around with my collection. And I just think this is such a natural look. You can literally wear it anytime. It's perfect for this time of the year. But I just think it's a really great Thanksgiving look. It adds a little bit of something, and the eyes are so neutral that you could totally play it up, change up the lip depending on whatever you wanted, and make it work perfectly for you. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look and how to slay your Thanksgiving Day dinner, then please keep watching. Also, before I forget, in my previous video, I will have that linked somewhere, I did actually say that I was hosting a giveaway. That video, I uploaded it because it wasn't like horrible, it just wasn't my best, and I just felt like I needed to upload it because I needed it to be genuine and realistic, and it was a first impressions video. But the lighting was crazy, just things just weren't turning out the way I wanted, and my makeup didn't look the way that I normally have it look. So I decided that I was going to put more information about the giveaway in this video. I'm going to have all of the rules listed down below because I honestly can't even remember them off the top of my head, but the main ones involve subscribing and interacting. So make sure that you check the description box to enter the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away some of the products that I featured in this video, including the Ace Beauty, or Ace Beauty, however you say it, Grandiose eyeshadow palette. It is gorgeous and it looks like this. I'm going to be giving away 3 Luxie brushes from their like mini brush set. They're not like mini like this, they're just very skinny. And I'm going to be giving away the Cover FX glitter drops in Supernova full size. And so I'm giving away some really fun stuff. It is only open to US residents. Unfortunately, it's not open internationally, but I will have all the information down below, so make sure that you guys go ahead and check that out. And if you guys do really like this look, I would absolutely love it if you could I would absolutely love it if you could And if you guys do like this look, I would absolutely love it if you guys could head over to my Instagram and go ahead and give this picture a like, because it will be up today, the same day that this video is uploaded. I know this is kind of a late upload for a Thanksgiving tutorial, but I feel like it still works because, I don't know, I don't want to do like a 10,000 step look for my Thanksgiving Day glam. I feel like this is relatively simple and to the point. And when it comes to Thanksgiving, like, yes, I want to look pretty, but my main goal is just eating. Just eating. If I have to skip anything in order to be able to eat, I will. So, but that's just me. Okay, so I already have my face primed and I have my eyebrows on, as you guys can see, and I just kind of carved them out a bit underneath. And now we're just going to go in with this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe. I love this one. I wore it like all of the time last kind of fall, winter, and so I haven't tried it with a beauty sponge yet, so I'm intrigued to see how it wears. But I really love this foundation and I've been wanting to pick it up again, so we're gonna go in. So this look is originally inspired by a look that Jackie Aina did a few years back, actually. I don't remember the name of it, I just remember that she did kind of a brown look. I don't know if she had a shimmer. I haven't seen that video in a while, but I do remember her doing that look. And I also remember that she had, like, I don't know if I said this already, she had a brown shadow stick. That's what I remember about that look. That was the original inspiration for this look way back when. And then very recently, Amanda Ensing came out with a look that was like kind of chocolatey vibes, and it kind of reignited my desire to do that. So I wanted to make sure I give credit where credit is due. Okay, so now we are going in with our Maybelline, is this the 8? I don't know what this is. This one. Maybelline in the shade 25. I like this one because it has a little bit more of a yellowy undertone. and I feel like that is very much up my alley at the moment. Well, all the time. I can get away with more neutrals going into this time of the year, into winter, especially where I live. It's very cold for a very long few months. So, and we're expecting the coldest winter that we've had in a long time, which is crazy because we already had the coldest winter we've had in a long time. So, you know, there's that. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. My skin is a little sensitive right now, and unfortunately drugstore concealers seem to kind of be causing slight issues with my skin, which I'm not loving, but I just feel like this is going to be fine for what I need, my purposes for today. I am a little tired, especially like I look tired under my eyes and I feel a tad bit tired. So I want to just brighten up. I want to literally just take a small dot of my Tarte Shape Tape. This is also in the shade medium, and that's literally all I need is that small dot right there. And I don't mind if my under eyes are a little bit brighter, as long as the rest of my face kind of looks a little bit more put together. So I'm gonna go ahead and just balance that baby out like that. And I'm gonna bring that down because we don't want to just have like brightness in a little circle, because then it's gonna look really obvious and crazy. So I'm gonna bring that down a bit to make sure that it's the entire under eye that looks brightened like that. I'm going to attempt to do my nose contour today and do it correctly. Let's all say our prayers right now. I'm not even kidding, because who knows how this will go. Oh man, now I'm nervous. I just botched this a tad. We're going to go in and set the face. I'm going to be picking up the black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and it looks like this. It says new because I'm pretty sure it is new within like this past, I guess, season. I think they either launched it in like summer or fall, so it's still relatively new. It definitely like mattifies everything right on down, but it's not drying, which I enjoy, and it's smooth. Like your skin feels very, very smooth when you use it, and I think that's awesome. This next step, it's basically, I just finished up my contour, so I'm just gonna walk you guys back through what I did. Basically, I just went in with that same contour shade I was using, which was, by the way, Cocoa from NYX. It was their HG Studio Photogenic Concealer. And then with that very same brush, I went in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer in Medium Deep. And this shade is actually so cool toned. It's such a perfect contour shade on me, and I just use that to set my contour because, like I said, it's such a beautiful shade, but it's very cool toned. This is actually a sample that I got in my Sephora Play box. I don't even know how long ago, and I've been using it ever since. So I'm just picking up this beautiful shade here, Patchouli, and I am just going to very lightly with a Ojitos brush from Alamar Cosmetics, I'm going to go ahead and just sweep that all over my lid. Now we're going to take this beautiful chocolatey shade Cinnamon right here, and just with this fluffy C brush from e.l.f., I'm going to just pick up this matte shade, and I'm going to just pack this onto the lid. So I have my Morphe M433 here. I picked up a little bit more of that shade Cinnamon, of course, tapping off the excess. Make sure you're always doing that. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend upwards. And I kind of want this to be in a V shape. So we're gonna make that happen, but I love this brush for blending. I know people have their issues with Morphe, and I totally understand, but I really enjoy the brush set that I have from them, and this is like a really dope blending brush. So I love this palette. I do have to build up this brown a bit because I am a deeper skinned person of color. I'm not as deep as others, which makes me a little bit concerned because I feel like with this brown, I don't know necessarily if they were going to do this look, like if they would be able to do it without having some type of base like a P. Louise or a lighter concealer or something like that. But it is building up, and I'm not going to do honestly too much beyond what I'm doing now. I am going to go in and just add a little bit more of the brown because I do want to make it just a little bit more deeper and smokier. So I'm going to concentrate this main color right on the lid area because that's just going to really give us that smoky effect. So now that I've intensified the color, I really just went up with a lighter hand and just kind of very lightly making sure that this is still blending right along in this crease. I'm going to tighten line up here, which is really uncomfortable to do sometimes, but we're going to do it. We're going to go ahead and tight line because that way when we do our false lashes, it'll just look really seamless and you won't notice any like gaps or anything. We're going to be going in with our Tarte Man Eater double-ended liner. Look at that. I think it's a double-ended liner. It's either a double-ended liner or the other end is like a sharpener or something. But we're gonna be going in with her. Let's see. Other end is a sharpener, so it's a one-sided liner. I don't fully understand why the other end is a sharpener because, oh, it's not. I thought that this was like retractable, but it's not. This is weird. It's not retractable? It looks like, no, it is. Is it? I don't really understand. Okay, whatever. I don't understand this liner. I like it though, it's good, and we're gonna tight line with this liner. So I'm just going to gather myself together and just do a quick little tight line. Okay, so for the lashes today, I have this beautiful pair. They are from AliExpress. Somebody that I follow, her name is Raquel Davis, I believe. We follow each other on, what do we follow each other on? We follow each other on something, but she mentioned that she gets her lashes from AliExpress, and I didn't get them from the retailer that she gets them from, but I did like look at lashes on that website and I found some. So I thought, you know, I was a little bit nervous about trying some of the other products, but I thought these seemed relatively safe. So, oh, okay, they slide out like this, which is snazzy. So I'm just gonna shape them to my, all right, it's a little wonky. But I paid like $2 for these lashes. This is my Real Techniques brush. It's a powder brush. I like using this for my bronzer. I know some people aren't about that life, but I am. And I am going to just pick up this black Radiance pressed powder. I don't know, it is Beautiful Bronze. And I've heard so many people talking about it, so when I finally picked it up, I was like, let's hope this is amazing, and it is. So for the blush, I want to use this blush from Urban Decay. It is their Afterglow 8-Hour Blush in the shade Quiver. I allow myself to go in. And kind of literally right above where we put that bronzer, you can even go down on top of it a little bit. I just like to kind of let that blush go. And I don't do it directly on the apples of my eye. And I actually want to do a little pop of color under the eye. So I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Alkaline. I've been having such a love affair with these beautiful, beautiful eye pencils. They're just really nice. They last a long time and they just look gorgeous. And I want to take the shade Poppy right here. So I'm going to do my inner corner highlight. I'm going to take this shade Jasmine from the Grandiose Ace of Cute palette. And I'm really feeling right now this Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown highlight. It's gorgeous and super affordable. It looks like this. I want to take my ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. And next I'm taking my Nude Sticks Magnetic Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade Gray Stone. And now we're going to finish this off with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude Liquid Lip in the shade Scandal. Okay guys, and this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Let me know if you use this on Thanksgiving or if you recreate it. I really hope that you all, if you're celebrating, have a very happy Thanksgiving. And if you're not, I just hope you have a really happy day. And you just get to spend it doing something good and happy that makes you feel wonderful. I really love this look. I'm so excited. I love Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to eat. Don't forget to enter into my giveaway if you guys have not already. Information will be down in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, my loves.